my name's Alex. I'm from London. I've been practicing yoga for 5 years now, and as I found myself teaching more and more, um, I realized that I wanted to ground that in a more thorough understanding of the philosophy and the anatomy behind yoga. Um, so I was really delighted over this course to have time to talk about philosophy and anatomy, but also have that very concretely grounded in the practice. This muscle matters because of its role in these poses, and that's why we modify it in these ways, is a really useful set of insights to have gained. Um, I really enjoyed how open the teachers were to answer our questions, to take time with us to really thoroughly explore ideas, to stay before class and after class. Um, and also, when it came to the practice and the alignment and the adjustments, I really benefited from the opportunity to not only learn the adjustments and be shown the adjustments, but also be able to practice the adjustments with students of a real range of experience and flexibility. Um, it's one thing to know how an adjustment should feel on yourself. It's another thing to be able to get that feedback from all of your colleagues. I was really worried when I arrived about my physical practice, and over lockdown having become a little less flexible and a little less fit. But I was pleasantly surprised both by the welcoming, non-judgmental uh, attitude of the teachers and my peers, but also by how our bodies coped and acclimatized over the weeks of daily practice. But that was coupled with an approach that really emphasized appropriate modifications and appropriate awareness and knowledge of ourselves and non-violence towards self throughout the course, that I think has left all of us feeling stronger than we expected. The classes managed to be funny and engaging. We all spent a lot of time giggling, and we developed quite a healthy set of in-jokes. And actually, the relationships that I've formed with my peers here, I'm really hoping are going to turn into really long-lasting and beneficial partnerships. We all intend to stay in touch and to visit each other's classes, and I'm really looking forward to that over the next years. And talking about that peer group, um, I think I was really enriched not only to be working with students of different levels of experience and physical practice, but also from so many different countries and backgrounds, and getting the viewpoints of people with different faiths and professions and of different at different stages of their lives was so eye-opening for me. The center at which this training is taking place is beautiful and calm and isolated, and it really felt like a relief to be here with so many people making the same journey as me, but also free from lots of the distractions and bustle um, that I was experiencing in London, even during lockdown. And, the ability to go for a swim under the stars before the first meditation class of the day and after dinner, um, and to see the Milky Way, and to come in on a Sunday morning and sit in the yogashala and do my own flow, was all really wonderful. And actually, I think I feel nervous about going back to the city now, um, but I'm also really excited to take the things I've learnt here and share them, and hopefully be able to enrich the lives of the people that I touch.